I'm going to show you my latest item that I have for sale in my Etsy shop, which is clothespin dolls. So, what I created was an articulated paper doll, and they are cut on cardstock paper, and they're really, really cute. So, I'm just going to take you through what I have and what they look like. This is the basic doll, and you'll get all the different pieces so you can interchange her. The only thing you don't get are those little brads, the mini brads to make the arms articulated, but you could do this project with glue or double-sided tapes, and I'll show you that probably in another video. So let me see. We have a different color selection of dolls. When you order this doll set, you'll get one doll of the color that you choose. And please keep in mind that sometimes the color might be varied a little bit based on the computer screen, how you're looking at it. But basically, you can see you have a range of dolls from light to dark as far as skin tones. And when you go to make a purchase, you just select which color you want, and it tells you, you can see which color, and then you can select it from here. And you can also indicate like how many you want. Um, let's see. Oh, okay, let's get on to it. Okay, so you'll get the doll body, you'll get the joints of her arm, upper arm, lower arm, her thighs, and her feet, her legs, her lower legs. You get a dress, you get a skirt and a top. Yes, I cut the skirt and the top. It just makes it so much easier. But these are actually cut with my Cricut machine, so it's a clean cut. I didn't just cut it with scissors. It's a nice clean cut. And you get a little hat, and you get 4 different hairstyles. Primarily the hair color I'm only doing right now is black, so that's the only hair color you have to choose from. Sorry. So as you can see, you can set her up in, her little outfits, different hair. And I didn't do any faces on this set. Hopefully I'll have that coming in the future. And here's with different hairstyle. Here she is with a little hat. Oh, that's so cute. And I wanted to show you, you could redraw, with another piece of cardstock, and you can make like a different little outfit. I'm just showing you what the outfit looks like. This is not the outfit color that you're going to get. And this is how you use those little push pins, not push pins, you use the mini brads to make the articulated joints so you can pose her however you desire. And this is another angle of that. There was something else I wanted to show you. I can't remember what it was now, but we'll just browse on back. And these are really cute. I had so much fun making these. It was a little bit of a challenge, but I got it to work out. Oh, I think, which one was it? Ah, okay. If you have rubber stamps, you can make the face, and you can find these doll stamps, and you can find the mini brads on Amazon or in your local arts and crafts store. It's entirely up to you. But once again, these are the sample ones I made. So this outfit, oops, this outfit, this outfit, and this outfit, these are not the ones you get in the set. I just added these to show you, what the brads look like and how you would put them in. Oops, let me close out of that. So that's all it is right now. And once again, I sincerely appreciate your business. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.